Hey everybody, hello, welcome. How are you all? It's such a gorgeous day today, and I thought I would do a pendulum reading outdoors. I was thinking about the upcoming events this month and, trooping the color, which I think it's the King's birthday parade. And it's scheduled for Saturday, the 14th of June. So it's on a lot of people's minds. Will Harry and Meghan try to ruin it? Do you think she'll do a car park pep walk? Will we see her latest harvest? Will she drag the kids out? So let's do a pendulum reading and find out. As you know, this video is for entertainment only. So please hit that like button and subscribe and the bell. And thank you. And get out your bingo cards for this royal edition. So let's just ask. You see that? Good. So horizontal is no, and vertical is yes. And I hope the noise isn't too much for you guys. So will Harry and Meghan attempt to overshadow trooping? Will Harry and Meghan attempt to overshadow Trooping Color 2025? Will they attempt it? Well, that's going to yes. Definitely going to yes. Okay. It's amazing to me. Everything is quiet. I get out here and everybody starts talking, screaming, dogs barking. It's amazing, isn't it? So, will Meghan make a public appearance or an announcement within 48 hours of trooping? Will she make a public appearance or announcement within 48? Yep. Look at that. You see that? I hope you can see that. Yeah. Will Harry release a statement or attend a public event around the time? Will Harry release a statement or attend a public event? Well, that's going to no. Okay. So Harry won't. Will the Sussexes release a photo or update involving Archie or Lilibet around William's birthday? Now that's a thing. Around William's birthday, will they release something with the kids or something? Look, it's going to yes. It is going to yes. Okay, so mark that off your bingo cards there. Will Harry and Meghan try to overshadow Prince William's birthday on the 21st? Will they try to overshadow his birthday, William's birthday? Yes, look at that. It's going to yes. Will Harry and Meghan appear in any surprise media coverage between June the 13th and 22nd? Because, that's Trooping and William's birthday. So will they appear in any surprise media coverage between then? And that is going to know. Okay. Do they have a publicity move planned? Do they have a publicity move like something big or stupid. Do they have a publicity move? Yep, they do. You can count on them. Sorry, I meant a major one. Okay. So, will Meghan launch something new? Will she launch something new at that time? Will she launch something new at that time? Guys, most of these are going to yes. Oops. Just my questions. Will she say something at around that time shocking on her podcast? Will she say something shocking on her podcast around that time? Okay, let's give you a kickstart. Will she say something shocking around that time on her podcast? Will she say something oh no. Okay. Is that because she knows her popularity? It'll affect her popularity. She knows that, right? Yes. Okay. Last one. Will the Sussex actions in June create tension or disrupt the royal family at that time in June? Will it create tension or disrupt the royal family? And, that's going to know. Okay, do the royal family expect it? Do the royal family expect them to act up during that time? Do the royal family expect it? I'm sure they probably do. Yeah. Yep. You know what? I was wondering if they could make a deal with the media or something and say, do not, don't put any of their stories out on that day or whatever. I was just let's ask that. Can they ask the media not to put certain stories out on that date? Can they ask the media not to put like Harry and Meghan stories out? Yeah? Maybe bribe. Anyway, thank you all so much for being here. I appreciate you so much. And I want to shout out to all of my members. Thank you so much for supporting me. I appreciate you all. And please hit that like button. And I will see you on the next one.